My name is Lisa Jackson. I'm with Rockaway Properties, and welcome to the beach right here in New York City. We're in the exclusive Neponset area of Rockaway Beach. The blocks here are filled with beautiful private homes, but none of them compare to this one. Let's go take a look. 151 Beach 146th Street was built in the style of a French chateau using imported limestone. It's a grand and gorgeous home, just steps from the beach and filled with surprises at every turn. As soon as you walk in, you can't help but to say, wow. This triple height entry foyer really sets the tone. There's Venetian plaster walls, a honed calicato marble staircase, and stained glass windows that give off a soft glow. And speaking of glow, just look at this chandelier. The owners even created this floral design in the mosaic marble floor. It's luxurious but livable, just like the rest of the home. The entertaining areas begin with this stunning living room. The old world molding, paneling, and the ornate fireplace create a wonderful contrast with a modern, airy, open floor plan. Huge windows keep everything so bright, and you can see the ocean just over the dunes. And seeing the ocean, of course, is a theme in this home. This dining area connects the living room and the kitchen, creating a cool enfilade that unites the spaces. Here, you'll also notice the silver leaf dome and hand-painted murals depicting scenes from a French countryside. It's such a romantic place to dine, and you can even dine al fresco. Passing through this bright European-style kitchen, the sun almost begs you to come outside. So why don't we oblige? Imagine calling this your backyard. There's this nearly 40-foot pool, a full kitchen, and it's all surrounded by these trees for added privacy. I'm pretty sure this place will be the center of your universe in the summer. But can I let you in on a little secret? This is not even the only pool. Downstairs is a full Turkish bath that features steam and sauna. Add that to a billiards room and wine cellar, and you've got one show-stopping basement. But let's head upstairs. This is the huge master suite with 2 walk-in closets, floor-to-ceiling windows on 3 sides, and glorious ocean views. In fact, the owners fell so in love with the views that they even put a bathtub right here, so they can soak while soaking in the beauty of the sea. And if you want to get closer to those views, you could just step out onto the private balcony. I swear, when you're out here, you forget that you're in New York City. But I have one more place to show you. An elevator brings you up to this amazing rooftop deck. It's a great place for cocktails with both city and ocean views. Paradise does exist in the city, and it's right here in the Rockaways. But more specifically, Beach 146th Street. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?